Hello, everybody. I hope everyone is doing well. I'm sorry not to be there in person. I had this trip planned long before joining SVIC. My name is Marwa Ahmed. I'm an international student in EdTech, and I have a PhD in social science. Today, I'm going to be pitching Yalla to you. Yalla is a platform that enables school students to practice critical life skills using mixed reality. With the power of virtual and augmented reality, it allows them to develop a competitive advantage in the job market by introducing them early on to many chances to practice their communication skills and soft skills and judgment free. Take Nick, for example. He joined Yella. He was 14 years old. At the time, he was shy. He couldn't speak up, which had started affecting his grades, but also his self confidence. But with the help of Yella, Nick took the avatar of a ninja, and with the power of augmented and virtual reality, he felt he could make mistakes practicing his public speaking skills many times over judgment free. This is the power of Yalla. It offers immersive and engaging gamified lessons, crucial for students to have a competitive advantage over their peers by the time they graduate high school. In terms of the predicted market of EdTech funding, according to Seattle Times, alternative learning grew by almost 50% in just 1 year, and it will reach 21.64 billion by 2024 and 87 plus billion by 2030. Now, in terms of the competition, I understand that there is edX, Learning, LinkedIn Learning, Udemy, Coursera, Udacity, just to name a few. However, for Yalla, number one, it's targeting the school children, and number two, it's immersive. It's not a traditional learning module that is just online, which is the current state. And with a pricing model of $99.9 monthly or $39.9 quarterly or $119.9 annually, we are looking for revenue over 12 months for $780,000. And with my background in EdTech and the PhD, I'm a very strong candidate to make this work. And so what I'm asking for is a 12 months financing to reach 20,000 subscribers in 1 year. And I need 200K for that. Thank you very much for funding me.